What's up, y'all? This your boy Dapper Data. This is another episode of how to use social media analytics to help out with some of those customer pain points. Okay. Now, this is the next pain point that I want to talk about: churn rate. Okay. Churn rate is when a customer comes in and they love your products, they buy it, things like that. They're loving you, right? They're loving you to death. Okay. They're with you for about 6 months. And then after that 6 month time frame, they say, hey, you know what? I don't like this product anymore. For whatever reason it is, they don't know. Whatever it is, they're like, I'm out. Okay. Now, if you think about social network analysis and how it deals with customers and how it deals with the connections and the relationships, right? That's what we care about. As a small business owner, we care about those relationships. We care about those connections that we're trying to build. And what happens is, right, we lose track of that along the way. Okay? We lose track of the relationship that we're making with the customer. And so then we somehow lose track of the customer, and then the customer ends up doing what we call churning. Okay? They end up leaving that product, that service, they dislike it, something like that. But another thing that happens with that, right, is that they take their people with them. They take their friends, they take their family, they take the people that they have sold your product to, right? Because you're using the customer sometimes to sell your product. So they're taking that from you as well. So now they're taking about studies show that when a customer churns, they also take about half of the people that came along with them because through word of mouth, they decided to really feed your product or your service to them. Okay. Now, how can you help out? How can you analyze the churn rate? As a small business owner, you have different tools out there, such as Google Analytics, right? You got Trifecta. I think there's another tool called the One Business. Okay. Some of those things can be calculated. All right. I got a couple formulas that we can use to calculate some of that as well, using the embedded analytics that are already there in Facebook and Instagram and all those cool things. So understanding the churn rate, okay, is one thing, but understanding why the customers are doing that, why are they leaving, right? That can also be analyzed in Google Analytics as well. Okay, so use the social media data analytics to help you make better decisions, to help you reduce that churn rate. Okay, we don't want customers leaving our products, our services. Okay, we want them to bring more people to them, because using those existing customers, you're going to bring new customers in the mix. All right. So that's another episode right there of Dapper Data, showing you how social media analytics can help out with some of those customer pain points. All right.